Welcome to my channel. Today I want to make these shoes. Let's start. For this tutorial, you can use any yarn you like, but then I'm using this milk cotton yarn. This is the brand I use, but I think you can any brand is fine. This is a 5-ply milk cotton yarn, and I'm using a 2 mm hook. Round number 1, chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then second chain from hook, we make 1 single crochet in each stitch for 2 stitches. 1, 2. And then 4 single crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1 single crochet in the next stitch. And then 3 single crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2, 3. Total stitch count for round number 1 is 10. Round number 2, 2 single crochet in the first stitch. Mark the first stitch. And then 1 single crochet in the next stitch. And then 2 single crochet in each stitch for the next 4 stitches. One single crochet in the next stitch. And then 2 single crochet in each stitch for the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Total stitch count for round number 2 is 18. And then we end the round. This is the right side and this is the wrong side. The wrong side facing up. Start from the place where we end just now. We'll make slip stitch around. and then end the round. This is the wrong side. Locate this is where we end the round just now, and locate a stitch that is as center as possible. Round number 5, 1 single crochet in each stitch for 4 stitches. Mark the first stitch. Two, three, 4, and then 4 decrease. 1, and then 1 single crochet in each stitch for the next 6 stitches. Three, 4, 5, and 6. Round number 6, 1 single crochet in each stitch for the next 3 stitches. Mark the first stitch. Two, 3, and then 4 decrease. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1 single crochet in each stitch for the remaining 3 stitches. One, 2, 3, Round number 7. 1 single crochet in each stitch for 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 2 single crochet in the next stitch. And then 1 single crochet in each stitch for the remaining 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then end the round. Here is what I do to make the shape of the shoes looks better. I will just squeeze a little glue, and then I stuff this in. Push it to the front. So it will maintain this shape. This is how the shoes looks like. Let's put this onto the top. That's all for my tutorial. I hope you like it. Please like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.